Okay, we got the wig on our wolf, so we want to put some hair like this around our feet. So I measured around here and 3 inches. So we're going to put this on here. So it looks like our wolf has hair on his legs. We'll hold that. Do the same with this side here. So now we got hair around the feet, and we're going to do the same. I measured around and I'm doing 3 inches on here. So this is going to be, it was like 8 inches to go all the way around it. Little bit off here. So now it looks like we have hair coming out on the hands also. And we'll do this one same way. So there we go. So now we have fur on our hands and our feet. So now we're ready to put this on the body. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I will get back with you. Thanks for watching.